Hey there. I am just leaving the Chase family's house. We're here in Phoenix and they are an APS customer. Average bill about $225 a month. They use about 1,500 kilowatt hours a month. So we're going to go solar, take them 100% offset, actually just a little bit bigger. Their new solar payment, which is a 20-year term at 3.99% fixed, never changes, is going to be $160 a month. And then on top of that, they will have a small APS connection charge of $25 a month. So, they're anticipating to save, around $50 a month first year, which your first year savings when you go solar is your worst year, because as you have solar, APS continues to increase their prices and fees. So you lock up the price of electricity that you're paying in the year 2019, which is awesome. You also lock up the price that APS is paying you for your overproduced electricity. So if you'd like to see what solar would do for you and your family, how much you'd save, what you could do with that savings, like college planning or retirement planning or debt reduction, or just, an extra dinner out, or just it's better than giving it to APS, give me a call, 480-200-4486. Thank you.